Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my journey to success in the cybersecurity field without a degree. It's amazing how many opportunities opened up for me when I decided to pursue this path. So, let's dive into the topic of starting a cybersecurity career without a degree. I'll give you a glimpse of how I started from scratch and built a successful career in this industry. Many people believe that a degree is a must-have to enter the cybersecurity field. However, the reality is that not everyone has the means or opportunity to pursue higher education. I faced similar challenges when I realized I wanted to pursue a career in cybersecurity without a degree. To overcome the lack of a degree, I explored alternative paths to gain the necessary skills. I started my career in cybersecurity without a degree by first studying for the CompTIA A+ certification. After earning the A+ certification, I enrolled in the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate Program. Through these online courses, I obtained the necessary certifications and gained practical experience through internships and projects. These hands-on experiences were invaluable in shaping my cybersecurity knowledge and expertise. The breakthrough moment in my journey came when I landed my first cybersecurity job. Despite not having a degree, I impressed the hiring manager with my skills, certifications, and passion for the field. It was a validating moment that proved to me that dedication and hard work can truly pay off. In summary, my journey highlights that a degree is not the only route to a successful cybersecurity career. By leveraging online resources, certifications, and practical experience, anyone can pave their way into this industry. Remember, it's about the skills and knowledge you possess, not just the credentials on paper. Start your career in cybersecurity without a degree by preparing for the CompTIA A+ exam. At SecureCyberMart, we offer the comprehensive CompTIA A+ complete study guide that will equip you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to pass the exam. This guide is your first step towards obtaining valuable certifications and embarking on a rewarding cybersecurity career. Don't wait. Visit SecureCyberMart now and invest in your future today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.